Welcome back to AM Northwest. You know, sometimes no amount of core work will get rid of that stubborn fat in your belly area. Here to tell us about an easy solution, we welcome back from aesthetic medicine Dr. Jerry Darm and his patient, Brooke Dixon. Good to have you back. Nice to meet you, Brooke.
Nice to meet you.
So tell me about, it's called liposuction. No, LipoLift.
LipoLift,
Yes.
yeah, it's very unique.
Which is kind of connected to liposuction.
We're the only ones really on the West Coast doing this particular procedure, interestingly.
So tell us about the procedure,
It's a laser. It goes under the skin and melts the fat very gently, tightens the skin, and then afterwards...
Which is what is different than liposuction, is that it tightens the skin.
Liposuction is a mechanical procedure,
right.
Very rough, a lot of downtime, a lot of pain, a lot of lumpiness and irregularity. This ends up being very smooth. Plus, the interesting thing is that the skin, once the fat's gone, the skin sticks to the muscle. So that's why 10 years and 20,000 procedures later, we're not seeing sagging of the skin, and we're not seeing a recurrence of the fat in that area.
Brooke, why did you decide you wanted to have something done?
I just really had kind of a rough year. I hadn't worked. I had an allergic reaction to a LASIK surgery, and so I was just kind of, and I figured that I should do something for me to make myself feel better.
And you weren't feeling good about your stomach area?
No, I was not.
Would you just didn't like the way you fit into pants? And
yeah, and just kind of felt uncomfortable. I was wearing, baggy clothes and that kind of thing just because I didn't like how I looked.
Right. So when she came in, let's take a look at a before and after. And Dr. Darm, you'll tell us what we're seeing here. So here's the before and after. It looks great. Yeah.
Thanks.
So, the fat that's underneath the skin is the fat that we can get rid of, basically. And so the clothes end up fitting better. The dress size ends up being smaller. The profiles you can see is, just a lot thinner.
Oh, I know. Brooke, when you look in the mirror and turn sideways, you're just like, this is awesome.
It is. It's really awesome.
And I understand that you had a friend go through something similar, but not quite the same thing, and you realized that's not for you.
Yeah. Yeah, so I just decided that I was actually more into like immediate sort of results.
Right.
And so I had just seen the ads and for Dr. Darm, and I went and talked to them and just decided.
Was there any pain for you? What was the downtime like?
Actually, there was really no pain. I mean, it was a little uncomfortable.
Right.
But really no pain. I don't think I even took any Tylenol or anything.
Oh, wow.
So.
Usually if you do it on a Friday, you're back to work on a Monday, and that's the usual.
And are you just wearing like a Spanx kind of?
Yeah, like a Spanx kind of a garment for
right.
about 3 weeks, basically.
And then what I can't believe is how long the results last.
Yeah, no, we were surprised, too, frankly. We were surprised that it was a permanent change because of the skin sticking and because of the fat being gone from that area, assuming that, the patient maintains their weight.
Oh, that's fantastic. And have people noticed?
Some people have noticed, but actually, I think more people haven't noticed, which is actually totally fine with me. I notice, and that's what's important.
And you feel better.
Yes.
That's great.
Yeah.
We want to tell everyone, if you'd like to find out more, you can contact Aesthetic Medicine in Lake Oswego at 503-697-9777.